Nuevo Balaidos redevelopment update. Take a look the progress of Grada Marcador in the Balaidos. The seats and roof has being installed. Nuevo Grada Marcador height is due to be 47 meters once the roofing is finished. The seats installation at Nuevo Grada. The seats will be fully sky blue colors. New Marcador will have a capacity of 6,418 seats, of which 3,977 will be installed in the lower tier and 2,791 in the upper one. New roof, first time ever entirely built with steel trusses. Spanning over 25 meters, it's expected to provide better protection to the fans. The seats installation at the upper stand. One major difference will be seeing the stands move closer to the pitch, particularly the north one expected to start 5 meters closer. The sky blue seats at Nuevo Grada Marcador. The lifting of roof truss from space frame structure. The space frame is a rigid structure with truss-like composition that consists of several struts that are interlocked in a geometric pattern. Check out the latest work of facade installations. From the outside, the stadium will be covered with aluminum sheets forming 3 meters wide panels waved individually. This way a dynamic flow impression will emerge for passers-by, mimicking the nearby Atlantic. The development of Celta Vigo's stadium is expected to result in a football-specific, modern stadium with uniform and attractive architecture.